how this it works. If the beak of the goes here, so the water come out. See, like that. So here's the empty bottle for the protein powder we're always using, and this is the one that I'm using, water feeder for Tum Tum and the mama. But since they are always swim inside here, so I will change this one because all the bottom there is become wet. See, it's so wet, so I will change the water feeder. We'll use the red one, so eliminate this one because they keep swimming and all the food has become wet. So over here, so since this one is really for chicks, so I will put all water here and I will hang it. So I will just use this one to make like a handle, then I will use the cover to cover it. This is the DIY uh, water feeder. We'll use this as for hose. We'll just hit. So I will just do this like triangle. I use this strand, so I divide this into 3 parts. This. So divide natin for 3. So yan. After this one, we put all waters. I prepare the waters with the vitamins. This goes like this. Filters. DIY. So I make this filter water, and so I make this water here. The instruction below here is 1 teaspoon of this Vitamin Pro water soluble powder to 4 liters of water. So since this one is 2 liters, so I put half teaspoon of the powder. So this is the, so it's look like this color. So pour here. So and I will put this one inside the, and how this it works, if the beak of the goes here, so the water come out, see, like that. So like this, it be like this, so water come up. So Yun. I pay this one is I think 25 pesos each if I'm not wrong in shop. So we will put this one. So here's the chicks here. So I don't know if I'll put this one a little bit bigger. So I will adjust it just like this. Adjust ko lang yung tie.